The Backroll Tack To Toeside is a cool and smooth transition if done well. The kite steering is similar to most transitions, moving between 11 and 1 o'clock or 1 and 11 o'clock. To regain speed after you finish the tack, steer the kite down according to the wind conditions. Correct timing is key for this move, so let's have a look in detail. Start by flying the kite up and back while carving upwind. Once the kite is above you, initiate a rotation with your upper body similar to a back roll. At the same time, hang your body weight on the kite lines and use your feet to direct the board in a tight, carving turn through the wind. The key is to shift your body weight onto your toes as soon as you have finished the full turn. Now steer the kite down to regain speed and ride out toeside. Let's remember the key elements. Slowly fly the kite up and back. Start the body rotation when the kite is above you. The carving turn becomes tighter at the end. Enjoy your ride with the Duotone Kiteboarding Academy.